Hello, my comfy. Hello, my computers. I am T Stormer 89, and I am gonna show you how to make bug beds. So let's start. Mm, on Minecraft. It ain't really that hard. You just need to um just fix it. I'll show you the stuff that you need. Um, well, you're gonna need. Well, let me show you in the game. And your girl. What the crap? Sorry, my sister was playing on this last time. Mhm. Regret nothing. If you heard, you must have heard that from Sky. That's Minecraft, yeah. I watch him. He's awesome. He's like one of my favorite Minecraft players. That's right. Oh yeah, here we go. First place we're gonna start is right here. Mm. Okay, here we go. Bunk bed. These two. So today I'm gonna show you. I will show you how to make one bunk bed. First step, get all the stuff that you need. Second step, you will need 2 beds, 2 doors, and 4 blocks. Final step, how now we can make the bunk beds. As you can see, I already made 2 of them. So I'm gonna make one now for you. First you'll need cobblestone. I'm on creative, so that's what you need. But for the viewers, you need 4 cobblestone beds. Anything. 2 beds. It doesn't matter how many doors, just in 2 doors. First you're gonna have to start like this. And then you do this. And you go down. And right here. And you put doors. And there you have it. Your own bunk beds. But there's a different way you can build it. You build it like this too. Oh, crap. Bed one. I regret nothing. Almost fell. Almost fell. So there you have it. There's another bunk bed. I just forgot to add the doors. Get away, chicken. I don't like you. Just kidding. And there you have it. Again. So viewers, thank you for watching. And if you're wondering what this is over here, this is called a too many item mod. So that's why I have it. And every time you press on it, it gives you 64 stuff, 64 things that you can get. So see you next time, viewers. Bye. Um, yeah. See you next time. Bye.